Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie and I'm blind. Here, let me show you something that I use on a daily basis. So this is my white cane. It's red on the bottom and white on top with a rubber handle and a string. Not everyone's cane looks like that, and that's okay. And no, I don't have a guide dog. And this is Willow. And this black and white kitten with a bobtail is Rio. Okay, so I did not record a video at all today, and I don't know why, other than I just didn't feel like recording anything. Rio is going crazy and scratching on my desk chair and also doing other things he shouldn't be. So until he calms down, here's big girl. Big girl Willow. Big girl Willow, huh? Are you big girl? Yeah, you're big girl. So last night I went to bed and I was almost asleep, and then I got a weather alert on my phone that we were under a tornado warning / watch. I couldn't do anything about it because this house doesn't have a place to go and be safe. So I was like, well, what do we do? And I didn't do anything because obviously I can't. And I found out this morning that a tornado went over my town and that there's an area in my state where some people have died. It's very sad, and we've been under storm watches and tornado warnings and watches all day until about 4 this evening. At around 3, the sun came out and it was really sunny outside, so that's good. And now I am gonna go beat up Rio. No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna go beat up Rio, but I am gonna go see if he has food. And apparently I'm gonna drop my phone. I don't know why else he would be pitching such a huge fit, but we're gonna go look and see. Okay. Also, I don't feel that great, and I don't know why, but I don't. Okay. Food, water. Okay. He has everything. I don't know why he's being such a little brat. Probably thinks that I should be giving him soft food, because I did that last night in hopes that if I gave him soft food, he would go to sleep and sleep through the storms, but that didn't happen. Riri, you're not Riri, you're Willow. Ew, I just spit on my phone. I have to clean that screen now. Riri. Riri. Willow. Rio, you're Willow. I'm sorry, Willow. Do you need a hug? Ooh. Willow needs a hug. Willow needs a hug. He sure does. He sure does. Willow needs a hug. You got a dry nose. Yeah, you got a dry nose. You need to go get a drink. There you are, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Are you being a little brat? Oh, you're gonna eat now? Okay, cool. I put his food bowl back up where it was last night because I had soft food in it and I didn't want anybody but him to eat it. And this morning the bowl got empty, so he knocked it back down onto the floor. Because that's just who Rio is. Right, Willow? Your brother's a little brat. Your brother's a little brat. Yeah. Should we say goodnight? Filming Rio because he was a little brat. I think it's so cute that he like eats with one paw. Like he'll pick up the food with one paw and then eat it. It's the cutest thing. Anyway, I am sorry for the extremely weird angles. Everything is calmed down now and I'm fine. The only damage that I know about is some limbs that fell. So they didn't hit anything that I know of. They just like landed on the ground, so that's good. So I'm fine. And I just wanted everyone to know that I'm fine. And I'm gonna end the video now. And good night, everyone. Oh, you want to say something, Louise? You want to say good night? You want to say good night? Say good night, Louise. Say good night. This is the end of the video. I hope that you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new. Ring that notification bell. Make sure it's set to all notifications. Leave a comment if you have something to say. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Odyssey. Follow me on TikTok. You can find all those links on my YouTube page below the About section. My email address is in the About section of my YouTube page, and everything I just mentioned, the email address and the links, can be found down in the description below. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.